Behind every design, every frame, every interface is a creator learning how to turn fashion into a profession. But what does it really take to enter the multimedia industry? As upcoming multimedia professionals, students often face one question: are we truly ready for the creative industry? This series was created to bridge classroom learning with real-world experiences through insights from industry professionals.
Kapag freelance dyan, madami namang client. Pero kasi, sa totoo lang, hindi siya ganun kadali. Kasi doon papasok yung network. Doon papasok yung sarili mong skills.
Pag i-compare natin yung pag-shoot ng corporate or ng brands sa pag-shoot ng sarili mo na ikaw yung nag-conceptualize. Kapag naman kasi involve ang brand, merong mga like mood boards na kailangan sundin, merong mga pegs na kailangan din aralin.
Nung student ako, natatry na rin namin to. Nag-shoot namin ng music videos, nag-shoot namin ng short films, nag-shoot na kami ng mga school events. Pero in this real world, sa totoong buhay, parang ganun lang siya. Pero mas malaki lang yung sakop. And you have more freedom sa iyong schedule. You have the more flexibility kapag ikaw ay nasa real world na. And siguro ang masasabi ko lang na perks, no? Na perks of being a student pa rin, no? Meron kang teacher. Yun yung okay. Example, sir, ganito, okay lang ba tong gawa ko? May matatanungan ka. Pero in real world, ikaw lahat.
Maging porsigido. Bali, di porket sabihin natin nagkaroon ka ng client na hindi na gusto yung gawa. Take as lesson yan. I-identify mo bakit sabihin natin hindi siya happy. Tingnan mo yung mga mai-improve mo. Wag ka lang, yung basic, wag ka titigil.
Ang mga task lang kasi nun is pinapasa lang sa amin na, gawin nyo to, design nyo to. Medyo walang brief masyado. Ganun yung mga style ng internship eh. Unlike kapag work projects na talaga, kailangan immersed ka talaga dun sa process. Like, from the start dapat nandun ka. Ano yung, kahit actually from proposal pa lang, parang ano yung goal ng client.
At the same time, yung real-world projects kasi ito na yung output mo eh, di ba? You want to be proud of the thing that you put out in the world as compared to something na you would say na parang, ginawa ko lang siya for this class. Ako, I just wanted to think na lahat ng gusto kong ilagay yung pangalan ko doon, try to make sure na maganda yung output.
Huwag mong ilimit yung sarili mo. I think as creatives, we fall into the trap na creative ako eh. I can only do artistic stuff. I can only do multimedia. I want people to realize that creativity is not a technical skill. It's a soft skill. Meaning, you have the skill to reimagine things. Makakuha ng diskarte. Makukuha ng different angle. It's a soft skill. You can apply it not just in multimedia.
What to expect in the series? The multimedia industry continues to evolve, and for aspiring creatives, preparation is more than talent. It's about adaptability, collaboration, and continuous growth. Welcome to the series.